Alright, Interurban Era here with a rather unusual unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox a variety of things one of my clients sent me in the mail. So, first things first, let's get to the big box. Alright, it's the handy dandy box cutter. And let's give it an open, see what's inside. Now, I have a rough idea of what's in here, but not precisely. Like, it's a long list of things that he sent along, and, you know, the timelines for stuff to arrive all over the place. But let's see what this box has. Okay, and inside, we've got, oh god, an absolute ton of Walther's mainline passenger cars. Alright, well, let's see which ones are actually in here. Let's see, diner... Probably a sleeper, another sleeper, another sleeper. Oh my god, are these all filled with mainline cars? Oh boy. Sleeper, sleeper. These are all 10.6s. These are from the new Walther's mainline collection, which are okay cars. They're new tooling, at least. Made presumably to compete with like IHC and other Reverosity older tooling stuff that is hard to find anymore. Here's some Walther's plated proto passenger cars for a baggage, and here's some more mainline stuff. Here's another plated baggage car. Good lord. These all came from Train World, by the way. Another sleeper. Looks like a nice bud tail car here. And we'll add to the absurdity by just stacking everything that I've unboxed during this operation in front of the camera. And then here is looks like a baggage dorm. Oh, it's a baggage RPL. So, there we go. That's the end of this box. What's on to box 2? Let's shove all these mainline cars into the background and continue on our merry way. Okay, next up is the second largest box. Let's see what's in here. I love how the tops of these boxes are all like very, very taped up, and then the bottom is just one piece of tape. Okay, we've got some of this material. Oh boy. Oh, that's a lot of it. Oh dear. Oh! Alright. Okay, we've got a box within a box. It's boxception. Doesn't look like there's anything else in here either. Oh, wait. There is a lovely Patents UK manual showing all sorts of stuff in the wrong scales for us. Alright, well, that's enough of this box. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, this should be fun. Alright, we've got a Hornby Pendolino. Look at that thing. That should be fun. I'll take some nice detail shots of that later. That should be pretty exciting to custom paint. The client wants it in North Carolina DOT as sort of like a near future concept, so that should be a very fun project upcoming. Alright, time for box 3. Let's see what's in this one. This one's kind of heavy. Ugh. Okay. Let's see what lies inside. Hopefully it'll be something fun. It has Frigide written all over it, so hopefully... Oh, careful. I gotta watch out for my blood arc there. Foolish of me to cut towards myself. Oh gosh, it's all of these environmentally friendly biodegradable packing peanuts, but oh god, I don't want to touch them without them exploding everywhere. Let's see if we can get these things out of the box without exploding them everywhere. Oh, okay. Ooh, here we go. A big-ass Broadway limited imports box. But what could lie inside? It is a beautiful New York Central J1E Hudson. Let's take a look inside the box, because, you know, looking at a unboxed train with a plain package is no fun. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, take the containing plastic wrap off. These are used, by the way, so they will be kit dash fodder for another future project that he wants to do. So we'll take a look at these in 1 second. Let me just get them out of the packaging. I'll close up the box again and we can pose it right on top. There we go. Look at that. Predecessor to the legendary J3 Hudson. Pretty nice overall. A little rough, in rough condition, but nothing I can't fix. So that should be pretty exciting. Time for box number 4. Okay, there we go. Let's see what's in here. Nice and easy to open. Is it going to be packing peanuts? No. Oddly, it's going to be some brown paper wrapping. All right. Looks like another Broadway limited box. Got another J1E for that project. So we've got 2 of those. And we've got something very unusual here. We have a Trix BR96 0880 tank locomotive, which he wants to Americanize and do some specialized kit bashing for. So let's see if we can pop it out of the box. Oh, that's actually a really nice design. Trix does a good job with packaging. Not surprised, it's Marklin. Looks like this has been stored for a while. Wow, look at this. Absolutely spectacular. Ooh, it's metal. Oh, that's sweet. I guess I wouldn't expect any less from Trix or Marklin. It has a nice little feed water heater there. Beautiful cab. Looks like the cab has some sort of interior, maybe not. Coal bunker. Nice running gear. Very finely detailed, and paint in the side rods and everything. It's pretty sweet looking, so I'll put that there for a close-up. You can enjoy that in a second. God, what am I going to do with all these boxes? Ah!